Hey everybody, this is Sean Hensler, your native Hilton Head Island realtor. Want to give you guys an update about median sale price, interest rates these days, and stuff like that going on in the market. So, median sale price, average sale price went back up in the month of November. So, and we are still climbing in the month of December. There's been some stuff that's gone under contract that should be closing out that by the end of this year, that will keep our average sale price higher and just close out the end of the year for a win. Now, a lot of people have said, "Oh, I'm waiting to buy because the market's coming down or whatever." Well, the market didn't come down. The market didn't come down. There was a little bit of a correction in mid-August last year to about mid-January. But really, at the end of the day, that's it. Nothing has come down. We have actually gone up, and I'm not going to say percentage prices because it's kind of like all wonky and weird. But I tell you what, when you're looking at the bigger picture, zoom out a little bit and look at what the median sale price was in January of 2020. It was like $606,000 was the median sale price of single family homes on Hilton Head. Fast forward to January 2023, we're at $907,000. That's a $300,000 increase in values. Now, looking at where we are right now, the average sale price of homes right now are at I'll just say it just 1.5. That's single family homes on Hilton Head. So a lot of people that are in my book, the buyers that are out there looking for properties are saying, "Oh, Sean, well, I'm just I'm waiting." Whether they're watching, these YouTube channels, which is funny because I got stuck in. I watched this one YouTube guy. He's supposedly this real estate investor, and it was funny because this guy, since 2019, he's been telling people, "Don't buy. The market's going to crash. The market's going to crash. Don't buy anything. The values are going to come down. Just step back, step back." Well, again, in January 2020, we were at $606,000 on median sale price in Hilton Head. If anybody had listened to that guy, they'd be $500,000 less if they had waited to purchase because they thought the market was going to come down. Now, of course, the media is out there telling people, "Oh, prices are coming down, or whatever's going on." I can't speak for other areas. I sell Hilton Head, and that's what I do. This is what I know. This is my market. But when you're looking at, there was an article that came out yesterday, and it said that home prices lowest prices they've been in 10 years. And I said, "Oh my gosh, I got to click on this article." So I click on the article, and they're specifically talking about condominiums in San Francisco. Now, from what I see on the news, San Francisco's got armed robberies in broad daylight, homelessness, a lot of drug usage. The area is not speaking bad about an area, but unfortunately, that area is not doing very well in terms of people wanting to be there. Some people want to be there. Okay, great. If that's what you're into. But when you're looking at Hilton Head doesn't have any of that going on. I think there might be, there's just nothing going on here that that would keep people from wanting to live in this beautiful area. So that's what's keeping our prices higher. So yes, some areas are coming down in value, but Hilton Head, this is what we are. We have gone up. We're at just under 1.5 as the average sale, and median sale price for end of November was 1.172, I think it is. So, our median sale price at at the beginning of January, like I said, was at 607 or 907. So when you're looking at that, values have gone up. Do I have a crystal ball? Absolutely not. I wish I did. I'd be probably a millionaire or a billionaire. But I don't know what the future holds. But when you're looking at what Hilton Head is doing, I think that the values are going to continue going up. Interest rates have come down a little bit, which is great because at the end of November, we were looking at about a 7.67% or so, and right now we're at a 7.32% on a national average interest rate on 30-year term. So that's lower. We actually dropped down just for a real brief, short time last week. We dropped down to I think it was like 7.15. I've got my guy Brian Newman over at Movement Mortgage. That's the guy that I recommend a lot and does a lot of my mortgages. He just told me that he's got interest rates that he's been locking for the 30-year terms right now down into the high sixes and the low sevens. So if you're looking to purchase or looking to sell to upgrade to your next home, you know, is this interest rate ideal? No, it's not. Is it, is it going to come down? Yeah, at some point. So when you're looking at what these things are doing, the best thing that I can recommend is go ahead and make your purchase, do your sale, so you can make your next purchase. Because if the values continue going up, what are you looking at? What is the bigger picture of your, okay, I'm waiting to sell because the interest rate's at 7.5%, and then you wait to sell, and by the time it comes down into your personal comfort zone of 5.5% or whatever it may be, maybe that same house that you were looking at and said, I love this house, maybe it was 1.5. Well, now it's 1.7, 1.8. So, does that math work? Probably not. So my recommendation is if you're looking to purchase, don't hold back. Get it. You can refinance when the interest rates come down. Interest rates, they're saying that they're hoping for a down. Interest rates come down maybe in March, maybe later summer. You're going to start seeing interest rates coming down. There's really no telling. Nobody has a crystal ball, but people are kind of considering rates to come down into the, mid fours, lower fives. Hopefully that's kind of where our bottom's going to be. Again, there's no telling where it's going to really end up, but the Fed's meeting today and tomorrow, so hopefully they'll have a little bit more information for us. But inflation is under control. It's coming back down to where they want it to be. I read an article the other day talking about the likelihood of recession as being a lot less. Fed's talking about more of a soft landing versus recession now, so that's good. I would love to see some values on some consumer goods go down, but hey, that's just what it is. America seems to be doing all right. So at the end of the day, this is just what it is. So if you're looking to purchase or you're looking to sell, my recommendation is get it done now and move on to your next. Just keep in mind that if you are looking to sell, you don't want to go out. You don't want to be crazy. Buyers are still being discerning and they're still looking at interest rates. What is my interest rate? Because the interest rate, of course, plays into their final monthly mortgage. So affordability still needs to be key, especially for the younger buyers that are coming into the housing market. But at the end of the day, if you're looking to purchase, if you're looking to sell, you want to make sure that your home is priced properly and presented properly, marketed properly, all these things. A lot of properties there, but it's all important. You've got to make sure that you are attracting the right buyers and not scaring buyers off. You want to present, you want to have your home really nice and finished, and it doesn't have to be nice and finished, like updated to today's standard, but clean, decluttered. Let the buyers see where, picture themselves in this home. They don't want to see a bunch of family photos and a bunch of, knickknacks everywhere. And just, I showed a house the other day, and the buyer was appalled by, the seller didn't even make their bed. They had clothes just scattered everywhere. It was just an absolute mess. And the guy's like, sorry, it's Christmas. Like, it's not an excuse. It's clean your house up so it's presentable so you make the most money on your sale. Very important. The video is going longer now, so I'm sorry, guys. But at the end of the day, keep your homes right. It's time to, if you're going to sell, now's the time to get on the market. I do expect a pretty good spring season. Even starting probably mid-January, into February is when we're just going to, I think the market's going to really ramp up, and we're going to see a lot of homes hit the market, and we're going to see a lot of buyers come out, because that's when interest rates are going to start to come down just a little bit more and make it happen. So if you guys are looking to sell, please don't hesitate. Give me a call. Let's set up a strategic marketing consultation, and let's discuss what is expected of your home and how to make the most money on your sale and a shortened time frame on the market. So, let's do this. I look forward to talking with you soon. If you're looking to sell in the next 12 months, now's the time to get in touch and start planning for it. My number is 843-298-0594, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Again, my name is Sean Hensler, and I'm your native Hilton Head Island Realtor. Take care.